Hello and welcome to another video. This time we're going to the Tolmin Gorge in Slovenia. It's a beautiful canyon of Tolminka river, which as you will see is crystal clear, but it's not only the strikingly blue water that attracts people there, rather the entire region is beautiful. We start this tour by approaching the site by car, and as you'll see in a moment, there's a very nice parking there. It's €3 per hour, and I think we spent around 1.5 inside, so plan to stay for about that much. The parking location on Google Maps has some negative reviews of visitors who were unhappy about the price. However, there is a P2 parking closer to the town, and I saw somewhere that there is a shuttle from P2 to the entrance. Either way, it's only about 1.7 kilometers, and my plan, in case the P1 was full, was to just walk. As for the entrance tickets, obviously they can be purchased on the spot. However, I got them on their website, so we just walked past the queue and entered with a QR code from our phones. I'll paste the URL in the description of this video. Currently, it's €8 for adults and 4 for children from 6 to 15 years old. Alright, now that we're in, let me tell you a bit about this place. Essentially, it's a 1 kilometer long gorge located on the southern end of Triglav National Park. This gorge has been carved out by the Tolminka and Zadlashica river. Zadlashica rivers. Okay. There are 2 levels. There's this boardwalk and gravel trails along the Tolminka River, and then you can also climb a series of steps to see the so-called Bear's Head and also cross the Devil's Bridge. These paths are all around 2 kilometers in total. However, as you can see, there's plenty of steps, and I assume that in rainy season it gets a bit more challenging than when dry. There are 5 main spots to visit at the gorge. First up, there's the confluence of the Tolminka and Zadlashica river. There's the narrow gorge and thermal spring. There's the Bear's Head, the Dante's Cave, and the Devil's Bridge. Now, the confluence of the 2 rivers is actually the lowest point of this national park, and also that is one of the prettiest spots in the gorge. I think I shared all relevant information. Now I'll leave you to enjoy the nature a little bit. Let me know in the comments if you visited this place, what did you like about it, or if you plan to visit in the future. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.